All right, I want to go ahead and do a review of this camera combo cage. So pretty simple box. Everything comes in here, one simple part. Nothing big about that. So here's the standard hard plastic case that comes with it, with a metal clip. And you have to basically squeeze your camera to get in and out of there. And then you have to take the camera in and out to go ahead and get your batteries on there. So real pain in the butt. So this lightweight aluminum case actually has a little latch here. So you undo that, slide the camera right in and latch it back up. And there you go. So whenever you need to change the battery, you have it right there. And battery pops in and out. Easy peasy. And that's it. Go ahead and put that back, clip it back in. Now this does come with a 1/4 inch hole already, so I can directly mount it to my tripods. So if I want to go in the portrait mode, but if I want to do landscape, I can use an adapter. So I got a couple here. I got the standard DJI one, so that guy clamps right in. A little difficult to take off once you got it there because the magnetic force is pretty strong. So just not enough on there. Two hands, there you go. So again, a little frustrating taking that one off. Good magnetic force. Now I got this guy here that I usually use. Got the 1/4 inch and it's got the cold shoe. So this guy snaps right in. Nice and easy, very stable, and then much easier to take off. It has good magnetics on it. Don't get me wrong on that, but it's just much easier to go. So on this camera here, you do have your volume and mics and everything. I did test the mic with and without the case, and the sound quality was exactly the same. On off button here, get into my charging port, no problem at all. And once I start this guy up, everything just functions just like it should. Nice and quick and easy. So I definitely love this case. Definitely an improvement over this hard plastic one. It feels great. It's got a little bit more heft to it, but it is a lightweight case, so it doesn't really weigh much at all. It is slightly heavier than the plastic one for obvious reasons, but I will definitely go over the little bit of weight for the convenience of being able to do this. So yeah, absolutely great. Love it, and give this guy a full 5 stars.
Hallo zusammen, kurzer Eindruck von mir für das Kamera Combo Cage hier für DJI Action Kameras. Es funktioniert ganz hervorragend. Kamera gleitet ohne Probleme hinein. Es rastet sauber ein. Es hält die Kamera fest. Da wackelt nichts. Das sitzt sehr, sehr angenehm, sehr, sehr fest. deutlich schneller zu bestücken als der Originalrahmen, und natürlich macht es einen wesentlich stabileren und hochwertigeren Eindruck, da wir hier einen Metallrahmen haben, der auch mit einem Hot-Shoe-Adapter ausgestattet ist und mit einem zusätzlichen Stativadapter, was ganz hervorragend ist und das Spektrum dementsprechend erweitert. Von mir eine klare Kaufempfehlung.